Theta value equivalent to $0.7309 a coin. The present reach, $0.7240. $0.7370. The earlier day close, $0.7340. The change was 0.00031. 0.42%. Opposite rates, United States dollars to Theta. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost forecast for July 2023. To start with cost at $0.73. Greatest cost 83 cents. Least cost 66 cents. The normal for the month 74 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 74 cents. Change for July 1.4%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for August 2023. Initially cost at $0.74. Greatest cost 90 cents. Least cost 66 cents. The normal for the month 76 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 75 cents. Change for August 1.4%. Theta cost expectation for September 2023. Before all else cost at $0.75. Most extreme cost 75 cents. Least cost 61 cents. The normal for the month 69 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 66 cents. Change for September 12.0%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for October 2023. First and foremost cost at $0.66. Greatest cost 66 cents. Least cost 52 cents. The normal for the month 60 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 56 cents. Change for October 15.2%. Theta cost expectation for November 2023. In the first place cost at $0.56. Greatest cost 57 cents. Least cost 49 cents. The normal for the month 54 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 53 cents. Change for November 5.4%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for December 2023. Before all else cost at $0.53. Most extreme cost 53 cents. Least cost 46 cents. The normal for the month 50 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 49 cents. Change for December 7.5%. Theta cost expectation for January 2024. At the outset cost at $0.49. Most extreme cost 58 cents. Least cost 49 cents. The normal for the month 53 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 54 cents. Change for January 10.2%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for February 2024. Before all else cost at $0.54. Most extreme cost 67 cents. Least cost 54 cents. The normal for the month 60 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 63 cents. Change for February 16.7%. Theta cost expectation for WOC 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.63. Greatest cost 63 cents. Least cost 49 cents. The normal for the month 57 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 53 cents. Change for spring 15.9%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for April 2024. To start with cost at $0.53. Greatest cost 53 cents. Least cost 42 cents. The normal for the month 48 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 45 cents. Change for April 15.1%. Theta cost expectation for May 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.45. Most extreme cost 52 cents. Least cost 45 cents. The normal for the month 48 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 49 cents. Change for May 8.9%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for June 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.49. Greatest cost 49 cents. Least cost 42 cents. The normal for the month 46 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 45 cents. Change for June 8.2%. Theta cost expectation for July 2024. In the first place cost at $0.45. Greatest cost 45 cents. Least cost 36 cents. The normal for the month 41 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 39 cents. Change for July 13.3%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for August 2025. Initially cost at $0.26. Most extreme cost 26 cents. Least cost 21 cents. The normal for the month 24 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 23 cents. Change for August 11.5%. United States dollars to Theta conversion scale equivalent to 1.3682 Thetas per $1. The present reach, 1.3569 1.3812. The earlier days nearby, 1.3624. Change for now plus 0.0058. Plus 0.43%. United States dollars to Theta expectations for July 2023. To start with cost at 1.370 Thetas, greatest cost 1.515. Least 1.205. The normal for the month 1.360. The United States dollars to Theta estimate toward the month's end 1.351. Change for July 1.4%. Dollar to Theta estimate for August 2023. First and foremost cost at 1.351 Thetas. Most extreme cost 1.515. Least 1.111. The normal for the month 1.328. The United States dollars to Theta gauge toward the month's end 1.333. Change for August 1.3%. United States dollars to Theta expectations for September 2023. In the first place cost at 1.333 Thetas. Greatest cost 1.639. Least 1.333. The normal for the month 1.455. The United States dollars to Theta figure toward the month's end 1.515. Change for September 13.7%. Dollar to Theta figure for October 2023. Before all else cost at 1.515 Thetas. Greatest cost 1.923. Least 1.515. The normal for the month 1.685. The United States dollars to Theta conjecture toward the month's end 1.786. Change for October 17.9%. United States dollars to Theta expectations for November 2023. At the outset cost at 1.786 Thetas. Most extreme cost 2.041. Least 1.754. The normal for the month 1.867. The United States dollars to Theta gauge toward the month's end 1.887. Change for November 5.7%. Dollar to Theta gauge for December 2023. To start with cost at 1.887 Thetas. Most extreme cost 2.174. Least 1.887. The normal for the month 1.997. The United States dollars to Theta gauge toward the month's end 2.041. Change for December 8.2%. United States dollars to Theta expectations for January 2024. In the first place cost at 2.041 Thetas. Greatest cost 2.041. Least 1.724. The normal for the month 1.915. The United States dollars to Theta conjecture toward the month's end 1.852. Change for January 9.3%. Dollar to Theta conjecture for February 2024. Before all else cost at 1.852 Thetas. Most extreme cost 1.852. Least 1.493. The normal for the month 1.696. The United States dollars to Theta estimate toward the month's end 1.587. Change for February 14.3%. United States dollars to Theta expectations